What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be checking out a new exhaust for the Can-Am Maverick R. This is our chambered muffler and the quietest muffler. Well, I can't say on the market because we're the first ones putting mufflers on the market for these machines, but I know that this muffler in the past, we've used similar designs on the Pro R, kept it super quiet, the quietest for the Pro R. We've used it on the X3, the quietest for the X3, and the crazy thing, it's still a full 3-inch system. Factory, it starts out at 3, bottlenecks to 2.5. This is a full 3-inch system. We're running it on our 6-inch long resonated full 3-inch mid pipe. It sounds perfect. If you don't want a loud exhaust, but you want a lot of performance and you want to be able to flow some air for a big tune or whatever you've got going, or just want to change it up a little bit and get rid of that huge suitcase off your Maverick R, check it out. This is it. Pan around that beautiful piece of stainless TIG welded art. So this is an internally mechanically chambered muffler, meaning there's a bunch of internal mechanical baffles, just a bunch of walls that the air is hitting, bouncing off of, going back through some fluted tubes, and we pretty much dial in the sound based off of how large those tubes are, the flutes, where we position them. It's still a free-flowing muffler. It's going to be a little bit deeper sound than stock, and that's kind of what we went for on this one. This is our quietest muffler on our whole little lineup that we have. We've got sport mufflers, electronic valve sport mufflers, our muffler delete, and of course our chambered muffler, which is our quietest. So we're going to have some race pipe options, and we're going to have an E-valve option. Of course we're going to have a 3-inch E-valve option. A lot of guys see our muffler on our website and they're like, what the heck, how do we mount the tip? We've got a custom bracket for the tip. Essentially what we're doing is just taking this slip joint, we're sliding it on the muffler, the OEM tip mounts to it, and by the way, we have black and blued OEM replicated tips coming. We're going to have some other options. That's that. You guys want to see this muffler outside of the car? So here's the muffler. You have a brushed muffler body. All of our piping is polished stainless. There you go. It's actually very similar to the X3. This bracket, same as the X3. They really just changed up one side of the brackets. The other bracket is actually the same as the X3. So that's the chambered muffler. I wanted to show you guys the sport muffler, and if you want to see some other ones, jump on our website. Here's the sport muffler. How crazy. Just 90s after 90s. You want something a little bit louder? This is it. We also have the electronic valve version of this. If you want something a little spicier, we got spicy. All right, guys, so before you purchase this muffler, or maybe you just want to hear the other sound clips, check out our other videos. We're going to have videos of every single one of these exhausts, and we're probably going to have a wrap-up video that will have all of the exhausts. We're going to jump to the sound clips, film all of our mufflers, all of our exhausts, our blow-off valves. We film all from the same device. We use the same microphone. We don't try to like edit it and spice things up or do anything funky like some guys do. So we know what you came for. Here are the sound clips. Guys, there you have it. That's the RPM chambered muffler. You can pick them up at RPMSxS.com. If you need a blow-off valve like you just heard, we got those too. Full silicone kits. We got them all.